One of the biggest advantages of mechanical keyboards is their durability. They can be easily repaired if anything goes wrong, making them a long-lasting investment. Mechanical keyboards are also quieter than their membrane counterparts. They produce only 40 decibels or lower, compared to the 80 decibels or higher emitted by electronic devices. They also don't require batteries. Unlike membrane keyboards that need regular charging, mechanical keyboards are always ready to go. The consistent actuation points in mechanical keyboards make typing faster and more accurate. This is especially beneficial during intense gaming sessions. Mechanical keyboards offer a wide variety of layouts and customization options. From Cherry MX Blue to Philco Magistouch 2, there's a design to suit every need. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your mechanical keyboard. Manufacturers recommend cleaning your board every 6 months for optimal performance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.